This is my friend's knife. So it's from Santo Domingo. I'm going to try to sharpen it. Let's see what the paper test. Is it sharp? Nope. We gotta fix that. We need to fix that. And it's a little shape there. Here's the sharpened knife. I tried to sharpen it as best I could. This is my friend's knife, and hopefully it's sharp enough to cut paper. There is some jagged edges, so it prevents me from doing a clean cut, but it's better than before. That one's sharp, right over there. Oh well. Man, it can't hold its edge. It's just lost its edge. The metal's not really that good, but it does the job right now. Professor Bobby, signing out.